Hello, howdy. It's April 16th. And I'm on the east side of the track. Here's the building where the spectators will be. Look at this mountain over here. That's where the signature is. Signature turn. Got some bulldozers over here. Anyway, it's not a very nice day. Cloudy again. As you can see, they're very busy. Ooh, they got a nice wall over here. You can see that from the distance. They've got an old school bus. I don't know what that's about. But it's Monday. Very busy. I thought they had more of the building done. Now that I got closer, it's just the shell, just the beams. But it's a massive building. Okay, I see an 18-wheeler. I see a belly dump. There's a bulldozer moving a lot of ground. Anyway, oh, the crane's working. Let's see. Oh, I see. He's putting a beam down. No. It looks like he's fixing to pick a beam up. But anyway, I can see where I'm pointing here, it's too hazy, but straight ahead I can see all the skyscrapers of Austin. Too hazy right now. But there's the building. Here are all the contractor buildings in front of me, the yellow ones. Quite a few. On the other side of these plants are a lot of cars parked, the workers' cars. Yeah, it's a hazy day. There goes the belly dump. See what we got over here. This hill is huge. "50 feet high, for sure." Oh, okay, there's the crane. He is picking up a couple beams. Anyway, as you can see, they're working. There's the belly dump again. Many belly dumps. there's something there. Another between the two buildings, more action. Anyway, that is your signature turn right here where this hill is. I'm facing where I'm at, I'm on the east side. Of the track. I'm going to come back when it's sunshiny in the same spot. Okay, so the crane just picked something up. He picked two beams up and he placed them, put them down. But anyway, it's still a shell of a building. There are no walls in this building yet. It's a shell, it's beams, that's it. So we're going to need to move a little faster. So bulldozers, pick up the pace. You see, let's see, we do got a little blue sky coming. That's a good sign. Possibly could move out. All these clouds could move out. But as you can see, we are on a hill. The highest hill in Del Valley. Very country still. Okay, there's the belly dump. The 18-wheeler. Busy. Looks like he's got a load of dirt. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Very busy. I'm going to back up now so you can see where I'm at. This is the road that I came down. That road is 1812, but it gets better. This is real country right here again. It gets better on the main road. I'm on an off-road right now. Alright, well, I'm going to come back and it'll be a nice sunshiny day. Oh, they've got their no trespassing. So now you can see why I can't get closer like I want to. That's a huge truck up there. That looks like it's a water truck. Like a tank. Alright, well there's your Formula One here in Austin being built. That's a nice wall over there. See that wall? That tan wall? That's first class right there, because it's not just a regular wall. I can see that it's made out of rocks. So they're doing this track up right. I mean, this is going to be world class, first class, top notch. So be ready to come to Austin, Texas on November 18, 2012.